How to make a drill bit on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make a drill bit on Soundation. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log into your Soundation account just like I've done here. And once you have logged in, the next step is for you to select the channel where you would like to make a drill bit, or the project, sorry, where you would like to make a drill bit. You can try to make project, or you can decide to select one of your existing projects. So once you've done that and you're on your project page, the next step is for you to import the song or the beat that you would like to make a drill beat. Okay, so you can just do that by importing an audio or moving to the right side of the screen, click on the sound library, and then type out the kind of sound that you want. So I'll just type in drill in order to give me something similar to what I want. And once you found the one you want, drag and drop it in the space display. So once you have the sound added, the next step will be for you to increase the tempo, okay? Increase the tempo of the sound that you want by moving to the top part of the screen where you can see the BPM. So increase the tempo to about 140 to 150, around that range. And once you have that done, next step is for you to add drums, okay? So you can use the drum machine to add a snappy kick, punchy snare, and bouncy hi-hat. So how do you do that? You can do this by dragging an 808 bass from the sound library and adjust the length and timing of the notes. So let's go to the sound library, click on sound library, and then go ahead to type out what you're looking for, which is a bass sound. Okay, so once you found the bass sound, go ahead, drag and drop it as well, and it will be added to the song, and it would increase the the drill beat of the song. Okay, then once you've done that, you can now use dark, moody, minor chords and add reverse effect to create a pretty sound. And for this reverse effect, you can just go ahead to click on add effect. And then for this particular stage, you'd have to locate effect that has a drill bit. For me, I would recommend using distortion. And so once you've added distortion, go ahead to adjust it. Use the mixer to adjust the sound to get your exact or your desired sound, right? Use the mixer to adjust the volume, the pan, and effect of each channel, okay? On this place, you can see the volume, the effect of each channel. So ensure you carry out, use this mixer, this particular tools to adjust the sound, adjust the effect and the reverb. So add reverb and distortion, like I said. So I've added distortion. So the next thing that you can do is to add reverb, and this would help to increase or enhance the loudness of the sound and to boost your sound more, to give that exact drill beat that you're looking for. Then you can now go ahead to share your project with others and then invite them to collaborate with you. And move it to the top right corner of the screen, click on share, copy link, and whoever joins will be a collaborator with you. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.